Fox. Good morning, Mr. Fox. Hi. I hope I didn't step into doo-doo. Actually step into doo-doo looking at the fox. Step into doo-doo. And then there's the hawk. So we got a fox down there. He's watching, trying to get... he's probably trying to get one of these... he's trying to get one of these... See that? Look at this other big one. That one is kind of carried it away. They're all looking for something. Everybody has a plan. They don't wake up like that too. These people are waking up with a plan. You better wake up with your own plan. See that these ones are standing here, not knowing that people have plans in their life. You better be alert before people plan your life. The animals are there. They're watching. Huh? Some of it was the ants. They got all the worms that came out. So you get up also and pray. Protect yourself. Ask the Holy Spirit to be with you. So I don't destroy their program. They don't run away. This one did not know how close they were to be eaten.